Claude Code versions 2.1.38 and 39 just dropped. 9 bug fixes, 3 improvements, covering security, terminal performance, and reliability. Here's the breakdown. Security gets tighter. Heredoc delimiter parsing is now hardened, blocking potential command smuggling attacks. The sandbox blocks writes to the .claude/skills directory. And bash permission matching handles. Environment variable wrappers correctly, closing another edge case. 2 VS Code fixes. The terminal scroll to top regression from 2.1.37 patched, and duplicate sessions when resuming in the extension gone. Cleaner IDE experience across the board. Terminal rendering is noticeably faster. Character loss at screen boundaries fixed. Blank lines in the verbose transcript view cleaned up. Quality of life improvements you feel every session. 4 more. Reliability wins. Tab now autocompletes instead of queuing/commands. Text between tool users no longer vanishes in non-streaming mode. Fatal errors actually display now, instead of being silently swallowed, and sessions close cleanly. No more hanging processes. Run Claude update to get both releases right now. Over 65,000 developers already use Claude Code. Hit subscribe. The next release is right around the corner.